Understanding condenser warranty in simple terms. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that combines a bit of technical knowledge with some legal understanding. We're going to explore what condenser warranty means, especially if you're navigating through agreements or contracts related to air conditioning systems or refrigeration units. So, let's break it down into simple terms for everyone to understand, ensuring you know exactly what it entails. Stay with us to uncover the ins and outs of condenser warranties. First off, let's talk about what a condenser is. In the world of HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, a condenser is a key component found in air conditioners and refrigeration systems. Its job is to release heat absorbed from inside your home or a specific space to the outside. Think of it as the part of your AC that gets rid of all the unwanted heat, keeping your environment cool and comfortable. Now, let's shift our focus to what we mean by warranties. A warranty is essentially a promise or guarantee made by the manufacturer or seller to the buyer regarding the condition of a product. It assures you that if something goes wrong with the product within a certain period, the issue will be addressed by the manufacturer or seller, often through repair, replacement, or refund. Combining both concepts, a condenser warranty specifically refers to the guarantee that applies to the condenser component of your HVAC system. This warranty ensures that if the condenser faces any manufacturing defects or fails to perform as advertised within a specified period, you are entitled to certain remedies. These remedies might include free repair services, replacement of the defective parts, or even a complete unit replacement, depending on the terms and conditions of the warranty. It's crucial to understand that warranty terms can vary widely from one manufacturer to another. Some key points to look out for include the duration of the warranty period, what exactly is covered, and what's not, under the warranty. The process to claim the warranty. A condenser warranty is not just a piece of paper, it's your safety net. It protects you from unforeseen expenses and ensures that your investment in an HVAC system is secured against defects and malfunctions, at least for the duration of the warranty. It also reflects the manufacturer's confidence in their product's quality and durability. We hope this video has shed some light on the term condenser warranty and why it matters when you're purchasing or already own an HVAC system. Remember, understanding the warranty details can save you a lot of time, money, and hassle in the long run. Always read the fine print and don't hesitate to ask questions to ensure you're fully covered. Thanks for watching, and we hope this has been helpful. Stay tuned for more useful insights and tips in our next videos.